In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer to enable cheats like infinite health, infinite ammo in Watch Dogs 2. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and open readme. It says copy the eac.exe to game directory. If you have the uplay plus version, go to uplay plus folder and copy the eac.exe to game directory instant. So I have the normal version of the game, so copying this eac.exe. For uplay version users, open the uplay plus folder and copy this eac.exe. Uh, Once you're done, copy the file, right click and select open file location. Paste the file in a game directory. Once you've done this, just go back to the trainer and open the trainer.exe. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm gonna turn on infinite health, infinite ammo, no reload, infinite battery, and once you turn on the cheats you like to use, get back to the game. I show you guys it's working. First, I will show you guys the infinite ammo. As you can see, 75 ammos are still there. The trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.